viewers, and welcome back to my IT workshop. This is your boy Alvin, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing this Zuki solar motion sensor light because I wanted to install it in the backyard because at night you don't see anything. So that's what we're going to do right now. So this is the brand. It comes in this box. The price is very affordable, so if you're interested after the review, you can find the link in the video description below. So this is the box. As you can see, pretty standard. I'm just showing you around. It doesn't have much, it's not fancy, just a simple box. I like that a lot. So I'm going to open it. Very easy, very simple, and that's pretty much it for the opening. So these are the plugs and the screws. They are 8 in total. So that's how they look. And now these are the devices. I'm going to take out one just to show you around. So the color is black. There is no other color for this model, and it's very hard plastic. So as you can see, it fits in your hand, or at least in my hand. It's very light. You're going to see. I'm going to show you in a few more seconds. So this is the brand, and this is the solar panel. Of course, it's covered. We're going to remove it, and these are the holes for the screws. Then we have the motion sensor. That's the one. We have the power button that we have to turn on using a needle, and this is the LED itself. This is the light actually. So now I'm going to take them out of the box so I can show you and you can see how it looks. And while we're doing that, this is a good time for you to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. So now this is the manual, and I'm going to open it and I'm going to show you the more important characteristics. Okay, it comes in many languages as well. So the brand is Zuki. The weight is around 200 grams or 0.42 pounds, which is very light. Number of LEDs, 28. The power source is solar, so no cabling. The battery is 1200 milliamps. The brightness is 400 lumens. I'm going to show you when we do the testing. The sensor means that the maximum distance where it's going to detect something or movement. So that's 8 meters or 26 feet. The angle is a wide angle, 120. It's waterproof. Yes, it has to be, well, kind of, because it's going to be outside while it is raining or it's snowing. So obviously it has to be resistant. Advised installation height is between 2 to 4 meters or 6.5 to 13 feet. Okay, so the light stays on for around 30 seconds. But that's the most basic characteristics, the most important in my opinion. So now I'm going to show you here a few more about the devices. So I'm going to remove the protection for the solar panel. So very easy, you remove it like that. And then I'm going to turn it on. So this is the needle that comes in the box. So I'm showing you in the back just for you to see if you haven't seen it in the last shot. So the way you turn it on is you put it inside the hole and you're going to hear a click. So that means it's on, like this. So that's a click. And if you want it, I'm going to turn it off because I'm not going to use it right now, but you want it to be on, obviously, otherwise it's not going to work, even though it has a lot of light, sunlight, and it's already hung on the wall. So these are the screws. It comes 8 come in the box, well, in the back. I'm not going to use the plugs, the green ones, because I'm going to put it against wood, and the wood is way softer than stone, for example. So I'm not going to use those, but if you need it, you have them. Okay, so now the next step is going to be installing. So I'll see you in a few seconds. So this is the place where I'm going to install the solar lights. So I'm going to put one on the top of this door, and the other is going to be on the top of the other door or above those doors. So as you can see, the distance is 2.38 meters or 7.8 feet. So it's kind of high. We are going to use a ladder, or you have to be really, really tall. So I'm going to use 2 here. I'm going to install a third one. I didn't show it here because it doesn't fit, but I installed 3 so far. So the other may be in the future. Okay, so now we're going to go to the installation. Here we are. So my wife is holding the solar light, I'm recording, and my dad wanted to help in this video. So he's the one that is going to be using the cordless screwdriver. As you can see, it's very simple to do. and the background is wood, as I mentioned before, so I don't really need the green blocks for this. But if you have a harder surface like a stone, for example, you can use those. So he has done the first one, and he's going to do the second one the same way, just like that. Very simple. And that's it. It's installed. Less than 2 minutes. By the way, you don't need 3 people to do this. You can do it by yourself, but in my case it was easier to record, to hold it, and to use the screwdriver, the cordless screwdriver. So now, like I mentioned before, that the day we installed it, it was not a sunny day, so I chose another sunny day, this one. And this happened like 3 days after the installation. As you can see, the ladder, the light is over there. And you only need to charge the battery for 8 hours. Well, the sun is to charge the battery, but I waited 3 days, okay? So now we're going to wait for the nighttime to do the testing. So here we are, it's nighttime now, and the testing time. So as you can see, everything is dark, we cannot see very well, a few lights in the house. So now my wife is going to help me again. She's going to walk through the third lamp, as you can see there. So she's coming down. And as you can see, the light is on now. It's a wide angle, so that's good. So she continues walking, and the third one is it's lit now. So she's going to go back, just like that. And the lights stay on for around 30 seconds. So that's good to know. So I'm going to get close to the solar light. As you can see, there is working, and that one is working as well. So now I'm going to show you around. Let's see. I can see my hand over here. The video is a little blurry, so now it's better. I can see my feet. I'm trying to say that it illuminates pretty well. So that one just turned off. That's 30 seconds, around 30 seconds. So of course, if you are moving, if the sensor detects movement, it's going to be on all the time while there is something moving around. So I'm going to go a little away so you can see it better. And now I'm going to go to the third one. So just to show you how it works and where I install it. So as you can see here, it's working just fine. So the angle is very wide, and I like that a lot. And you can, it's very clear. So the area of illumination it's great. So that's what I wanted to show you in this video, guys, how to install these affordable solar lamps. Again, the link is in the video description below. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any other comment or questions, leave them in the comment section below. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.